So continuing on the creation of a random comment. So we added the Hazelcast instance, and let me add the creation of IDs. So this will be a public, should be private void in it, and it should have set of comment IDs. Should have a list of comment IDs, and that needs to be loaded via, let me just go through this, and post IDs, sorry, this dot comment IDs will be equal to hazelcast instance dot get list, and it should be comment IDs. And if this dot comment IDs dot is empty, then we need to load it from the main database. And for that, we have added a function get all IDs, right? So this dot comment IDs is equal to comment repository dot get all IDs, and wait, list of UUID is equal to IDs, and this dot comment IDs dot add all will be IDs. And the reason is that it should be editable. And what as per my understanding, this would be an unmodifiable list, and we don't want that. So even if that it creates, we want something that should be modifiable so that we can add it on the runtime whenever we are saving a comment. So this, and then log it. Let me just take a look. Okay, so we just have to log the log.info total comment IDs loaded, comment IDs dot size. This is done, and let's see if this at least gets loaded. So we'll run this, debug it. Comment this out. Comment this out. Comment down. Got this in it. Oh, add post construct. And this should have a debug in this case, and the list would still be empty because we haven't loaded any comment yet. And F8 wait, Mm-hmm. Okay. And this will still be empty. Cool. F9. At least it's fetching from the database. And oh, one more thing. We also need to put that into the Hazel cost. So Hazel cost instance. Oh wait. Hazel cost instance dot. Does it have a set ID? Set list. Get list. Oh, well, whenever we add any IDs to this, oh, okay. So this will be Hazelcast, right? So one important thing is that this belongs to the Hazelcast. So if we make any amendments or any addition or subtraction from this, any addition or deletion from this ID, it also impacts the Hazelcast instance. And so, yep. And what does this return? It returns an abstract I list. Okay. And what is I list? I list extends list. Okay. I collection. So oh, this is done. So now we need to get a random comment. All right. And go to comment service. We need a random comment. So in order to get the random post, we had to get the random number from the index, and then it would return the ID. Based on that ID we could get the post, right? So we would have public public comment DDO get random comment. So now this will have random equal to new random, and we'll have random dot int index get a random index from the random dot next int comment IDs dot size. Hmm. And this should be comment IDs dot size, right? So this I would take it from the comment service. Okay. Hmm. If we take a look at the users, it returns a index, and that index is used in the get user ID. Okay. And it would return get a user by ID. So in that case, what we can do is go to this, and this will return me a public ID. Wait, but before that I need the size of this. So public and size, or I should say count, return repository comment repository dot count. And what does this return? Okay. belong. Okay, and this has been returned. So we need to get the index random dot next long, and this should be user dot sorry, comment dot count. Just need some typecasting. Okay, and we need to take the index, right? So we go to comment and public return a user, sorry, return an index uuid comment id by index, get comment id. So this will return me the comment id based on the index. So what we have to do is int index return comment ids dot get index. Okay, so we got a comment id, and if we got the comment id, okay, uuid, so we created a random index, and that index would be helpful in fetching a random uuid from the uid list. Oh, sorry, the comment id list that we had created in the DAO, and based on that comment id we would fetch the comment. So this would be comment id equal to you comment DAO dot get comment id, that'll have index, and have a return user mapper dot to user dto get use, oh sorry, this has to be comment mapper dot get to comment ddo get comment by id, and this will be the id, comment id, and get comment. Okay, now get a random comment we have specified in the comment service, so we need to put that into the controller. So this will be this post mapping load comment dto get a random comment, and comment service at autowired private comment service comment service, and this will be comment service dot get random comment, and this will return me a random comment, but we also need to add a random comment, right? So for that we will use a similar approach that we had used in the creating a random post, and for that we had created a random text, right, this part. So we'll add this, and this will be similar to creating a random post, right? So we'll copy this. hmm. Let this be at the bottom. No, let it be. We'll take this and this whole thing, and put it into the comment service. This won't be required. This will be the same. Generate random sentences, generate random word, and post DDOs will be, no, we need, wait, we won't be needing this. Let this be commented out if we need for all the comments. Okay, so generate a random, create a title, or do we need title in the case? No, we don't need this. Description, yes. Create a comment, comment dot off description. Does it have a off description? We got post and the user. Okay, so we get user mapper dot to. Okay, so we also need a user and a post, right? So we should I add, so we ultimately we have to add the user service HTTP, but hmm, I'll add that later. Let me just comment this out for a while. And this too. Added new post with ID, added new comment with ID, this, and comment. This will put this as null, and also this as null. And this will be comment dot get ID comment. Comment DAO dot save. Oh wait, we haven't added the code to handle the saving of the comment. So we go and public comment save comment. This will have a comment and comment return comment repository dot save comment comment DAO dot save comment, and this will be comment is equal to this, and will I don't think so we need to assign it, but that goes post DDO. We don't need post DDO, it should be common DDO. Add random comment, and this should be comment mapper dot to comment DDO. All right, I hope this works. So we also need to add it to the controller. Goes this, goes get mapping. Oh, wait a minute, this should be add random comment, and this should be get mapping. Add random comment, and this should be get mapping. Load response comment DTO. get a random comment, and yep. So we need to put this in here as well. And okay, let's see if this works. Continue. And if we go to this, should be comment. Okay. What is the port number that we are using? Oh, wait a minute. All of these has to be changed. Hmm. So we have common service. This has to be, let's say, 5 common service. And this is good enough. Root, update, true, and debug. And it, okay, it started. So what we're going to do is have 5 in here. This has to be comment, common service API, comments, load. Okay, not found. We go to the comment controller. This has to be comment. Hmm. Okay, so this started. Hopefully it should work. Get random comment add. Since we are doing a get, should have comment service API comments load. Okay, I'll check this out later. Yep. Thanks for watching.